My name is Chef Fran, and today we're making a burrata salad. To make our burrata salad, yes, your eyes are not playing tricks on you. This is just it. Our burrata cheese, our melody cherry tomatoes, and some basil, some balsamic glaze, and some Himalayan salt and black pepper. Super simplistic. This is a nice lunch for yourself. Even maybe an appetizer, hold over till dinner, but super simplistic, like I said. So we have our bowl here, and we have our burrata cheese that we are going to take our burrata cheese, and burrata basically is our case with fresh mozzarella, and inside of it has a cream. It's not ricotta cream. It is similar to ricotta cheese, but it's not. So we have our cherry tomatoes as well here. And we're just gonna kind of assemble it around. So you can have all that. Just kind of make it as dolled up and pretty as you can. Okay, just go ahead and kind of get it to look super cute. And then you just drizzle your balsamic glaze on it and some basil. And we'll chop our basil. Now I'm adding some black pepper, because mozzarella cheese generally doesn't have any flavor. And, but just the freshness is great. And you need to do tomatoes, right? So we just want to add a little bit of our Himalayan salt and black pepper. And of course, we gotta have our glaze. I'm gonna put this down so you can, okay, got our basil here. Get that freshness in along with our fresh cherry tomatoes. We wanna definitely get our fresh basil in. Okay, let us now taste our wonderful burrata cheese. Wow, look at that. Look at that creamy goodness. Do you see that, guys? See that cream that's in there? Just fell. Here's a casing of the mozzarella. The outer casing of the mozzarella is here, but that creaminess is right here. Cream from the burrata. Here's the outer casing of the mozzarella is here. And then the creaminess is all in here. See that? That's all the wonderful cream. It's like a sweet cream, but not like overpoweringly like sweetness, but just sweet because it's nice and soft and delicious and decadent is inside this ball of mozzarella. Now imagine pairing that together with something that's just so refreshing as a cherry tomato when that just squirts and bursts in your mouth, the sweet acidic. Then you have that sweet balsamic glaze here with the little pungent of the vinegar. And then we have the Himalayan salt and black pepper on it. Then you get the fresh basil, of course. Our burrata salad has basil, which is vitamins A, C, K, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese. Our melody tomatoes, cherry tomatoes are C, folate, potassium. Our burrata cheese is A, B1, B2, C, and D. Himalayan salt, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium. Black pepper, A, B1, B2, B5, B6, C, E, and K. And balsamic glaze, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and manganese. Real facts. 20% of Black Americans reported sometimes or frequently not having enough to eat. This is twice the national average, which is 10.5%. To learn more, you can visit us at jdhcdc.org. Let's taste it. Just a really rich tasting, but at the same time light. Even though you have the cream, it's not heavy. It's super light. Oh my gosh. Just refreshing. I'm not even a huge tomato eater. And I love this salad. It's so good. I'll eat the salad any day. Now, usually I always tell you at home, use what you have. But the truth is that this salad is not going to be the same if you don't have burrata cheese. Now, you can use other tomatoes. You don't have to use this colorful melody tomatoes. You can use grape tomatoes and cut them down. You could even take some Roma tomatoes and cut them down. You know, whatever tomatoes you have on hand, you can use, but you definitely need the burrata cheese to make this work. And it would help if you had like balsamic glaze. You could take also the red wine vinegar and put a little bit of brown sugar in it and reduce it down to become super thick. But you might want to get the glaze. Really, really good. So, here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving me a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets me know that you're enjoying the content I'm putting out for you. It allows me to go back to the thinking lab to wonder, hey, what else can I do for you? What can I recreate for you? What can I create from scratch for you? And if you're new to watching this channel, welcome. I welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And if you have not subscribed already, subscribe and share this channel with your family and friends. They will appreciate it. And also, hit the bell notification so you can know every time we upload a new video. Now, if you do this salad, very simple, refreshing, let me know. And if you did something different, let me know as well, because I do answer the comments. I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate your time. Come back and hang out with me again. Love you guys. Bye.